English Grammar Unveiled. Decoding the Objective Case. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're delving into a critical topic: the objective case. If you've ever wondered about the difference between the subjective and objective case in English grammar, this is your go-to video. Let's unravel the mystery and make learning English easier, one step at a time. Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what we mean by a case in grammar. In English, a case is a set of forms that a noun or pronoun can take, depending on its role in a sentence. This can be the subjective case, the objective case, or the possessive case. Today, we are focusing on the difference between the subjective and objective case. The subjective case refers to when a noun or pronoun acts as the subject of the sentence. The subject performs the action or is the doer in the sentence. For instance, in the sentence, John plays football, John is the subject and is in the subjective case. Now, let's move on to the objective case. We use the objective case when the noun or pronoun is the object in a sentence. This means it is receiving the action. For example, in the sentence, Anna likes pizza, pizza is the object of the action, likes, and is, therefore, in the objective case. So, what's the difference between these two cases? The key distinction lies in their roles in the sentence. A subjective case noun or pronoun does the action, whereas an objective case noun or pronoun receives the action. Understanding this difference is vital to using English correctly. Moreover, it's important to remember that some pronouns change forms depending on whether they're in the subjective or objective case. For instance, I, subjective case, becomes me, objective case, and we, subjective case, becomes us, objective case. Keeping these changes in mind can help improve your English grammar significantly. And there you have it, the difference between the subjective and objective case in English grammar. We hope this video helps clarify these two essential concepts. Remember, the key is to understand whether the noun or pronoun is performing or receiving the action in the sentence. As always, keep practicing, and soon these concepts will become second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!